Continuing with the Keset as Sofer, Siman Beis, Halacha Beis, and here we're talking about the process of creating the parchment, the Yerios, to write the Sefer Torah on, and it needs to be done with Shema. It needs to be done with the right intent for the purpose of a Sefer Torah. So it says the Keset as Sofer, the skins, the parchments that we write on, need to be processed lishma with the right intent. That is to say, when you place the parchments into the sid, into the mixture that is going to whitewash and prepare the parchments for writing, but that's the first stage in the processing. Yomar oros elu ani ma'abedu shem sefer Torah. You have to say, I'm making these skins, processing them for the purpose of writing a Torah scroll. For this purpose, I'm placing them in the sid, in this whatever mixture they would place the parchment in order to prepare it into the lime. And then immediately you place it into the sid. Since the first step in the process is done with the right intent, then so too all the other activities which go into the preparing of the parchment, like the smoothing it down and the sanding it down, and they all follow after the first step, which was done with Shema. Then also all the other steps are automatically done with the right intent. Nevertheless, says the Keset HaSofer, the appropriate thing is when all the other activities, you should also say, I'm doing this lishma, I'm doing this for the purpose of making this parchment, for the purpose of writing a Sefer Torah. And also when you put the parchments, even before that, you put the skins into water in order to soften them and to prepare them for the process, you should also say that you're doing the lishma. But nevertheless, b'diavad, if you didn't do that, that's not going to disqualify it, because as long as the beginning of placing it into the sid, into the lime mixture, as long as that was done with Shema, then everything else is okay in the preparing of the parchment. But if that was not done with Shema, when you placed it into the sid, it was not done with Shema, then even though the conclusion of the processing was done with Shema, we should not allow it under those circumstances.